Hi students, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to teach trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So students, let us take an equilateral triangle ABC. So in an equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Each angle is equal to 60 degrees. So let ABC is a triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle be a equilateral triangle with side 2a units. 2a units. Say, so length of the each side 2a units. So therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees, and three sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. So now draw a perpendicular AD to side BC. Draw AD is perpendicular to BC. So here ABD is a right angle triangle. ACD is a right angle triangle. In these two right angle triangles, this is right angle, and each one is 2a units. All sides are equal. So this is 2a and this is 2a. So AB is equal to AC, and AD is the common side. So here triangle ABD and triangle ACD, angle D is 90 degrees, and AB is equal to AC. AD is the common side. So by RHS congruence criteria, right angle, hypotenuse and side. By RHS congruence criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACB. So here triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACB since RHS congruence criteria. RHS congruence criteria. So therefore, by CPCT corresponding parts in congruent triangle, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to 30 degrees. So each one 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Okay, now in this right triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So in by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So here by CPCT, BD is equal to CD. So BC is equal to 2A. So BD is equal to CD means BD is equal to A and CD is equal to A. So and here BD is equal to small a. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. That is equal to AB is equal to 2A. So 2A square is equal to BD square means A square plus AD square. So 2A square means 4A that is equal to a square plus ad square implies ad square is equal to 3a square implies ad is equal to root 3a. So length of the ad is equal to, this is root 3a units. So now in this right angle triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, children, here now we can write all trigonometric functions for 30 degrees first. So sine 30 degrees is equal to, sine 30 degrees is equal to side opposite to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. That is equal to side opposite to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. That is equal to side opposite to 30 degrees means BD by hypotenuse AB. So BD is equal to A. So A by AB is equal to 2A. AA cancel 1 by 2. Therefore, sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. This is the value of sine 30. Now the second one, cos 30 degrees is equal to. So side adjacent to 30 degrees, that is AD. Side adjacent to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. So side adjacent to 30 degrees means AD. That is equal to AD by hypotenuse AB. That is equal to AD is equal to root 3A by AB is equal to 2A. AA cancel. That is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos 30 degrees is equal, therefore cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. This is the value of cos 30. Now the third one, tan 30 degrees is equal to, tan 30 degrees is equal to side opposite to 30 degrees by side adjacent to 30 degrees. So side opposite to 30 degrees by side adjacent to 30 degrees. That is equal to side opposite to 30 degrees means BD by side adjacent to 30 degrees, that is equal to AD. So BD is equal to A by AD is equal to root 3A. AA cancel 1 by root 3. So therefore tan 30 degrees is equal to, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. This is the value of tan 30. Now the fourth one, cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees is equal to, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees. That is equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. This is the fourth value. Now the fifth one, secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees is equal to, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Therefore secant 30 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 30 degrees. That is equal to 1 by, we already found cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by root 3. Therefore secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Now the last one, cot 30 degrees. So cot 30 degrees is equal to cot 30 degrees is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan 30 degrees, that is equal to 1 by tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, that is equal to root 3. Therefore cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. This is the value of cot 30 degrees. So clear? Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. Secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. And cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3. So these are the trigonometric ratios for 30 degrees. Thank you.